In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Excel app keep stopping error. If you are constantly getting this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now, to get started, you need to go to your phone and look for settings option. From settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Excel, and here it is. Tap on it to open. Now go to force stop and OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache. OK. Finally clear all data. Once you are done, now restart your smartphone, and you want to ensure that you are not using any VPN or any recently installed security app on your phone, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. Now if you open your Excel app, now everything should be up and running without any issue. But should you still get a challenge at this point, then go to Google Play Store app or App Store if you are on iPhone and search for your app. I'll run the search and tap on it. Here, see if you have any update your app to the latest version. Sometimes even after updating your app, you might still get the same error. If that's the case, then you'll need to uninstall the app because it contains bugs and install it afresh. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.